Hey my good friends, let's now handle this form in the backend. Let's go to the products controller, and this function will return all of the products, and this function will return the view of the create form, and this function will return the view of the edit. Okay, let's handle this function or this request. It's pretty the same like the store function we have created. Not the store, it's the create function, which takes a request and also it will take an ID with it. So let's create this lovely function, public function. Let's call it an update function, and let's get a request as a request, and let's also get the ID. All right, so we are getting a request with the new information, and we are getting the ID of the product that we want to update. So first, we are going to get that product from the database. To do that, we are going to use this line of code, which we used in the edit in viewing this product. We will copy it and paste it here. So now we have the product that we want to edit. Now we are going to edit these values with the new values. So we are going to edit all the values. So let's go to the product name and assign the new name to it, request name. And let's do that for the price also. And let's name this as price, and let's do this also for the details, and rename this to be details. All right. And now, finally, we're going to save this product. Save. And we are going to redirect to the new view. We are not going to use this view function now. We are going to use redirect because it types a new URL in your browser so that you will not submit that form again and again if you refresh. So let's redirect, return the redirect, okay, to the products. You will type the URL here, not the not the view. You will type the URL, products, okay. And we are going to, if we want to go to the products, we will have to get these products again, okay. So instead of using this function, let's head back, redirect, and go back to the same form we was in. Let's head back, and now let's try to submit. You didn't remind me. I have to change this action here. So it's not create, and also we didn't create a route in the routes file. Oh my God. Now we are going to do an update. Okay, and we are going to pass an ID, the product ID, and then we are going to go to the web.php and we are going to create a new post route. It was update without the edit, and it will hit the update function. Now let's refresh this and let's make it as a cart 2, and page expired, I think because of the CSRF token. Yes, it's not named here, so let's name it CSRF. Why isn't it named? I named it. Did we create this from scratch? Okay, never mind. Let's refresh and let's create a card2. And if we check in the database, we will see that the card2 is really updated. Let's now do the same with the car. Let's put the CSRF here, and what we will do again, we are going to store, and let's change the web.php and call this, let's call it products store. And here it will be store. And let's also rename this here to products store. And also we are going to create a new function. We are going to create same as this function, but it will be, let's put it underneath the create blade or the create function. All right. It's doing the same. Let's call it store. It's getting the product and assigning these new, or creating a new product, sorry, and assigning these values to this new product and then saving the product. And let's head back like we did in this function. Let's remove this and let's go back, redirect back. Okay, let's test this. I have a problem here. All right, no problem. We don't need this code anymore. Okay. Let's now go to creating the, let's create a new, I want to style this first. Let's create now. What did we name this path? Is it, yes, it's create. In the next video, we are going to style that index file. Now let's create a new product. Let's call it a cup. 5 details. This is a really good blue cup. I have a blue cup in front of me, and let's submit this. Let's check this cup if it's inserted in the database, and sure it is. And that's it for this video for now. I hope you took anything useful for you. If you did, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.